Welcome to Daily Scripture Reading. I do not own the rights to this music. Thank God for unity. The definition of unity, the state of being united or joined as a whole. Union, unification, coalition, oneness, agreement. I'll read the King James Version of Colossians chapter 3, verses 18 through 25. Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands, as it is fit in the Lord. Husbands, love your wives and be not bitter against them. Children, obey your parents in all things, for this is well pleasing unto the Lord. Fathers, provoke not your children to anger, lest they be discouraged. Servants, obey in all things your masters, according to the flesh, not with eye service as men pleasers, but in singleness of heart, fearing God. And whatsoever ye do, do it heartily as to the Lord, and not unto men, knowing that of the Lord ye shall receive the reward of the inheritance. For ye serve the Lord Christ. But he that doeth wrong shall receive for the wrong which he hath done, and there is no respect of persons. The end. God bless you, and thank you for joining me today.